Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Sometimes dreams come true in ways that no one can anticipate, which is the story of this home. This property has had all the major work done to prepare for the transition to the new owners. The photographs shared only showcase the true beauty to an extent, but to see in person is to appreciate the journey to this moment. The main side of this property has three bedrooms and three bathrooms en suite with walk in closets, a freshly renovated kitchen, living room, dining room, utility room, plus laundry room. The second section has two bedrooms with a powder room and one full bathroom with a kitchen. Both have rooms for personalization. The enclosed patio encompasses the entire structure, which provides the option for parking or hosting small gatherings and Sunday evening lounging. Your new home is well balanced on a zero point 0.2 acre lot, and the backyard has so much unexplored potential. Are you ready to claim your new home? Let's go and stake your claim on your new Meadowbrook home. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $416,100. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.